In this video, we will show you how to open 7zip files in Windows 11. To open 7zip files in Windows 11, we can using two programs. One is WinRar application and the second is 7zip application. The default application to create .7zip extension actually is using 7zip. So I suggest you can using 7zip application in here. To start install, you can just select the Windows version. For example, we have 64-bit in Windows 11, so just click download in here. After your download is complete, you can just open or install the 7zip application. After that, you can click close, and in here, to open the 7zip files, you can just right click and select in here show more options, and with 7zip you can just click extract here. Now you have successfully opened and extract the 7zip files extension, and you can also do with the WinRar application. I will delete the first, and using WinRar is the same. You can just right click in the WinRar icon. It's simpler rather than using 7zip, and just click extract here. Okay, these two applications can open the 7zip files. That's tutorial how to open 7zip files in Windows 11. Hope this video helpful for you.